So making measurements on your design, you need to have a minimum of 5 mils space between all traces and pads on your design. And to make a measurement, you want to put your cursor where you want to measure from and right click and then go to origin and then click set origin, and that'll place this little guy here. And if you look in the bottom left corner right here, this will actually show your measurements here. So the center of this would be 0, and then you can go to the left and you'll see your measurement down in the bottom left. You can also go up and down to measure vertically. There would be 0.005. That's the minimum space you have to have between them. You don't want to go any smaller than that, or you may have manufacturing defects or bridges shorting out your traces or your pads. And that's how you measure.